Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon because it will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. Another cook with me video. Yeah. And this time we are cooking bitterleaf. Yes, I know I have made bitterleaf, but this bitterleaf have the right ingredients. Yeah, everything that I need for this bitterleaf to pop and lift and taste like back home bitterleaf is here. So yeah, we are going to be making another bitterleaf soup. I just finished getting sick and all I'm craving is bitterleaf, so I can't help myself but to make it because I haven't eaten good in some few days now, and I just can't wait to dig in inside my food and enjoy my food. And I don't want to eat any other thing apart from bitterleaf soup. I can't help it. I'm a proper Igbo girl. So guys, let's go over there. Let me introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. Guys, this is our ingredients for today. So we have Maggi, we have our ogiri, we have dry fish, crayfish, our thickener Achi, we have salt, we have dry chili pepper from Nigeria. And this is a cooked meat that I have cooked already. And today, I'll be making fresh pounded yam to go with this soup. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. And we have our palm oil. And over to the pot. Yes, here is our pot. We have a little bit of meat. I know I have a cooked meat already, but in here we have some shaki, we have chicken, just a little bit. I think I only have 3 chicken leg there and a bit of shaki, and we have our big stockfish head, right? And over to this pot we have our bitterleaf. We're going to be boiling that for 10 minutes, okay? So in this, I am going to add my Maggi and my salt. Let me go wash my hands. Okay, now we are going to add our salt. I will add salt. And I am adding 2 Maggi. And I am going to cover and put the stove on and move it to the far side of the burner. So I'll move it to this one, and I'm going to put water in our bitterleaf and we'll start boiling it as well. So we put our bitterleaf on that stove as well, and we will start boiling our meat and our bitterleaf together. So the bitterleaf is going to boil for 10 minutes and the meat I will cook until the meat is soft, at least 25 to 30 minutes, and then we will start cooking the soup. So guys, it is time to take out the bitterleaf. I tasted it now and there's no bitter in it, so yeah, I'm going to take it out. I ended up boiling it for 15 minutes because when it was 10 minutes I tasted it was still a bit bitter, so I ended up leaving it for 15 minutes. So I'm going to take it out now and rinse it in the sink. So we're going to check on our meat and see if it's boiling. So it has been 15 minutes. I'm going to give it another 15 more minutes, okay, because my stockfish is still a bit hard and the meat still look a bit hard. So yeah, but at this point, let me take out all these onions, because whenever I'm cooking Igbo soup, I don't really need the onions. I just need it to boil the meat. So yeah. So we take that out and we close it to keep cooking for another 15 more minutes. So now I am going to start boiling my yam, because remember that I'm making fresh pounded yam for myself and myself alone. So yeah, I'm going to boil the yam, cook it until it's soft, and then I'll use it to make fresh pounded yam. So that is my yam bubbling away. I'm gonna try it and see if it's soft. It's almost here. Very soon I'll be taking it out. It's getting soft now. It's soft. I'll give it another 5 minutes. I'll take it out. We go over to our meat because it is time to start preparing our soup. You know what? It's too much smoke. I'll take that meat out of the stove for now. And at this point, I'm going to add the other meat I have, right? Because what is here, it is cow leg, chicken, and shaki. So I'll add them in there, and I'll get water, and I'll put water in there. I took it out from the hot stove because the smoke is too much. So I've added a bit more water in it. Okay, I've added a bit more water. At this point, we're going to start adding our oil, our Achi thickener, and all the other bunch of stuff we need to add. Okay, so we come over here and mix our Achi. So this is my Achi. I want to measure it like the last time. I used 1.5 big spoon of that. So I'll put, this is 1 spoon, and I'll put this will be 1/2 spoon. Okay, because you don't want to use too much of Achi. It will be too much in the soup. So I'm going to mix that up. Mix it very well with water. So that is the way it looks when you're done mixing it. So I am going to add it in the soup. So I'll add it in the soup. Once the soup starts boiling, it will start melting away and start thickening the soup. I'm going to add my red oil. I'm going to add my crayfish. I'll add 4 spoons of this. My Ogiri Igbo, I'll add just this one. I'll add it in there. Alright, and I have cleaned and washed my fish. I'm going to add my dry fish. I'm going to add my dry fish. So I've added my dry fish in there. I'm going to cover, move it to the far side of the burner. I'm not going to add Maggi yet. I'm going to allow it to boil first, and then I'll taste and see if I need more Maggi. So I'll move it back where it was. So I'm moving it back on the stove, and I'm going to allow that to cook for 10 minutes. Let everything boil up and mix up together. So I forgot to add my dry chili. I'm going to add my dry chili. I forgot to add it. So I'm going to add Just 1 scoop of it is enough because this dry chili is very peppery. So guys, while we are allowing our soup to cook, we are going to blend this yam. So I'm going to be blending it small by small. Let's blend it. With this yam, you don't want to add too much water. You just have to be turning it until it finishes blending, okay? You just have to be dipping the knife in there and get it to blend. You don't want. So we stop again and we use our knife and we keep turning it. Get all the lumps to, blend together, because you don't want it to be full of water, okay? So I am going to blend all of them until I am finished blending. So guys, it is time to check on our soup. It is cooking beautifully and the achi has not yet finished melted, okay? But I'm gonna turn it gently. I have fish in there that I don't want them to break, okay? So I'm just gonna do gentle turn and at this point I will add 2 more Maggi. And I will turn. I might add a little bit of water, so I add a small cup of water in it. Okay, and then we are going to add our bitter leaf, because this soup is as good as ready in the next 10 minutes. So I have washed my bitter leaf. I kind of slice it a bit, so I'm gonna add it in there. I'll turn and see if I need more bitter leaf, because I have a little bit more bitter leaf left. I might put a little bit more bitter leaf. So I will add a little bit more bitter leaf. After adding the more bitter leaf, I am going to cover it and cook it for another 10 more minutes. And I'm going to wrap it up and leave it to set. If you leave it for a bit, it's gonna, harden up. Wrap it like this. Basically, leave it to cool down. When it cools down, that is where you will enjoy this pounded yam. So over to our soup. Oh yeah, so yep, I'll take it this way. So guys, I have taken our soup. Oh yes. I've taken our soup out of the stove. I'll taste and make sure it has enough salt and Maggi. Yes, it has enough everything, enough salt, enough Maggi. Everything is enough. Guys, this is so tasty, so delicious. This is where I am going to end this recipe for today. Yes. Oh my goodness, my brothers and my sisters, can you see the gravity of this plate? Hey, obolo eze nwa kitchen osina nna knife ama nni. Yes, my sister did right. Our grandfathers, our great-grand, they know good food. They know good food. Look at the gravity. Look at what is on this plate. Hey, this is a good way to get well soon. This is a good food to get well soon. Oh my goodness. It looks so yummy, guys. It looks so yummy. I just reduced the light. Can you see? Can you? If it's my auntie Flo. Can you? Hey, because I can see it though. I can see it, no doubt. I can see it. No joke. Anywho, guys. This is where this recipe is going to end. So guys, this is basically me officially finishing this wonderful recipe. This onugbu soup is the one that you used to tell your father mpa inatanko. No, it's the one that you used to welcome your father or your mother or your grandparents. This is unbelievable delicious. It smells so good, it tastes so good. I can't wait to I can't wait to dive in there and eat it. I have not had good food for days now, suffering with stomach bug, but thank God I have recovered and I can't wait to do what I know how to do best. Anyway guys, this is where this recipe is going to end. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah.